How to crop video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can crop a video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's say these are two different videos, but these are one. I just split it into two. So let's say that I want this video to get cropped and appear right here, right besides on top of this video. So if you want to crop this video, what I can do is select the video, right click on it. Then there is an option that says edit, and there you'll find the crop option. Tap on crop. Now you can crop this video to the size that you want. Let me just make it this size, then tap on confirm. And with that, I've just cropped this video. Now I can change the size by simply playing around with this. Like this, I can change its location as well. Now what I'll do is I'll just upload it or overlay it like this. And if I place it on this corner, you can see that this video will play right alongside it, but it's cropped. And that's how you can crop a video in CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.